In this video, I'll guide you through how to make tabs on Webflow. Creating tabs in Webflow is a great way to organize content into easily navigable sections, enhancing user experience on your website. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Webflow, this step-by-step guide will help you add tabs to your site with ease. First off, let's head over to webflow.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is where you can manage all your projects, so it's the perfect place to start. Next, you'll want to click on All Sites. This button should be visible on your dashboard and it will take you to a list of all the projects you've created. If you haven't created any projects yet, you might want to start a new one, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have a site you're working on. Once you're in the All Sites section, select the site you want to work on. Simply click on the site name and it will open up in the Webflow Designer. This is where all the magic happens, where you can edit and design your website in real time. Now that you have your site open in the designer, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a toolbar with various icons. Click on the Add Element icon. This tool is essential for building your site, as it allows you to add new components and features to your web pages. With the Add Element panel open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in tabs. As you type, Webflow will automatically filter the elements, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Once you see the tabs element, click on it. Drag it into the desired section of your page. And there you have it. You've successfully added tabs to your Webflow site. Now, you can customize these tabs to fit the style and design of your site. You can edit the tab names, add content to each tab, and adjust the styling to match your brand's look and feel. Remember, tabs are a powerful tool to help organize information on your website, making it more user-friendly and engaging. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Adding tabs in Webflow is a straightforward process once you know where to look and what to do. Feel free to explore other elements in the Add Element panel to further enhance your website's functionality and design. Thanks for watching and happy designing.